I make a lot of videos on YouTube, like tons. I've made hundreds of videos, and to this point, I have edited every single one of my hundreds of videos that I've made. So recently, I started experimenting with outsourcing my editing, and I found a company called VidChops, and I want to tell you about my experience with it. VidChops is a service that will edit your videos for you. The cool thing is you don't have to go out and find an editor. You can just sign up with VidChops, and then they assign an editor to you, and that person works on your videos one video at a time, and they'll do as many as one a week, 4 in a month if you do the weekly plan, or they'll do more than that if you buy the bigger plans. So I bought the weekly plan. It's called VidChops, and they're making a video a week for me, and I want to show you what it looks like, what they've done so far, and tell you my experience with it. So first, if you want to try VidChops, you can use my link down below. It's an affiliate link, so if you get value out of this video, and if you want to throw some love my way at no additional cost to you, if you use my link, they do give me a small commission. All right, so add an expert video editor to your team in just a few clicks, and you'll never have to edit again. So you simply go here, yes, give me an editor, and you type in your name and you type in your email, and they will bring up the pricing schedule. So basically this is what it costs and what you get. So what I went with is the weekly chops. This is $325 a month. For me, this just is not a whole lot of money for the time that it gets me back. I was spending hours every week editing my videos, and I can get all that time back for $325 a month. That's pretty good. 4 edited videos a month, 3 revisions per video, dedicated video editor, royalty-free stock audio and video, 1 to 2 day turnaround, video proofing, lower thirds and title transitions, 14-day money-back guarantee, no contract. So basically, you get the dedicated video editor, and this is cool, and I think it's what sets VidChops apart from some other editing services where it might be one editor one day, another editor the next day, and you never quite know who's working on your video. You actually get the same editor who's assigned to you, so that over time, they start to learn your preferences, what you want, what you don't want, what you like, what you don't like, and it becomes really cool. You can double it to double chops for $9.95, get 16 to 20 videos a month, or unlimited for $5.95 a month. I think for most people starting out 4 videos a month, that's not enough for me. I do more videos than that, but it's all that I'm going to subscribe to at this point. I want to show you inside the portal. So this is what the system looks like once you're on the inside. So you upload your videos here. So you create a new video request and you put in like the title. So like I did a video, why I'm shutting down my membership site, that will actually be coming out here in a few weeks. You have a Dropbox where you can put the link to the Dropbox folder in there, and then they can see the video and download it from there. You choose the format you want it in. So I want it in 16:9, let's say. What type of content is this order for? Social media, YouTube content. And then you can even add voice notes where you can hit record and you can say, hey, Mr. Editor, this is what I want. I want, when you get to this point in the video, be sure to do that. I want some B-roll here, whatever. You can also just fill in with text. So if there's certain things that you want the editor to know, or certain things that you want them to make sure and put in the outline of the video, or what they put on the text overlays, you can put it there. Any other specific instructions right there. And then this is cool. Do you want us to repurpose this video? Yes, I absolutely do. You can pick if you want a square. You can say if you want a vertical for IGTV or TikTok, and then they will provide those. And then if you want a headline for the video, you can say like, yes, I want a headline. Why I'm shutting down my membership site. Do you have any other information or instructions? You can put it there, and then you hit create. What that does is it puts the video right here in this little video request queue. And then, so it's there for a little bit. Maybe the next thing, it's like on deck or on hold. Right now, they're working on 2 of my videos. So this is the video, the very first video that I gave them. And this is the interaction that I had. So you see, I've got an editor. They got the video they need. There's a completed video link, and then this is the video. And over here, this is really cool. We're able to go back and forth. So wherever I am on the video, I'm able to say, hey, you know, like this one, I love how you made me look good. The color correction is on point. Great work. Okay, this should be interacting with my students. Current, it's students, needs to be plural, right? So I just said, hey, this text on 515, make that plural, right? And so they fixed that. Please keep the super simple link up the whole time I'm speaking about it instead of taking it down and putting it back up. So that's right here. And so there, now it's up for forever. So I can literally, wherever I am, I can put a note in there to the editor. They'll see it and they'll be able to make the revision while we're going back and forth on it. So I'm literally one video into this, and it's just pretty amazing that I'm able to have this quality of video come back through, and I don't have to keep spending hours and hours and hours making these videos myself. So I'm experimenting with this. I make way more than 4 videos a month, but at least if I can have my main videos on this channel outsourced, it will save me so much time. It's called VidChops. Use my link below. Go check them out. Tell me what you think.